Here we are. We're going to do a quick walk around tour on this 340 Sea Ray Sundancer for sale at South Mountain Yachts. Starting at the port quarter, quick walk down the side. We see how nice and neat and clean she is. Notice on the forward facing radar arch we have grab rail there and one on the windshield also to make us feel safe and secure as we go forward. Coming down the side, we've got stainless steel port lights. And then here at the bow, we have our windlass, spotlight, plow anchor, and our foot pedals right there. Notice what a great wide open foredeck it is to lay out on. From here, we enter the vessel through this port side door, boarding on this molded in swim step right here. We've got trunk storage, and a hot and cold shower right there. In front of us, port side, we've got our wet bar, and down below, we've got our refrigerator. We also have port side single companion seat with lots of storage underneath. Circling over to the helm, we see we have dual bucket seats, both with the thigh rise bolster to make us more comfortable as we stand and drive. Over here at the helm, we've got Raymarine C70 electronics with a VHF radio right there. Separate shifter and throttles. Sea Ray uses these touch panels instead of rocker switches, which add a nice touch. And then we have our port and starboard engine gauges right here. We have the Merc Cruiser SmartCraft gauges, which are multifunction, showing different features such as time on the engine, temperature, fuel burn, and engine hours. Here we have our classic Sea Ray tilt steering right there. Notice what a nice line of sight for the driver. Behind us, we have engine access through this motorized hatch right here. With the push of a button, our hydraulically controlled hatch is lifted. Notice under the hatch we have dedicated storage for our tables right there. The vessel is powered by 8.1S Merc Cruiser Horizon engines, freshwater cooled V drive. This boat has about 430 hours on it. Off to starboard, we see our generator with about 40 hours on it. Notice how neat, clean the whole engine space is. Off to port, we have our holding tanks, hot water heater, and multiple batteries right there. Sea Ray's done a great job. Right in front of us, there's a step plate right there, right on top of the transmissions, to make reaching all of our components easy. From our cockpit here, we have easy access to the foredeck. Notice we have a nice side step right here. Easy up and out. Notice those grab rails right there for safety. One on the radar arch, one on the windshield to make us feel nice and secure going forward. This gives us a great overview of the foredeck. Just imagine laying out here. And then right here at the tip of the bow, we've got our windlass with remote foot pedals right there, spotlight. Easy to set the anchor from here with a washdown in the deck. Looking back through the isinglass, we've got that power vent window, windshield wipers, and there's a shot of the cockpit through the isinglass.